Home solar power systems are super useful in reducing consumers' energy costs and carbon footprints. But solar power becomes much more practical and impactful with the addition of home energy storage. With the addition of big batteries, a solar power system can allow homeowners to completely shift their electricity usage to off-peak hours, thereby further lowering costs and reducing strain on the electricity grid. Solar systems with batteries also allow owners to maintain power in the case of grid outage or power blackout. The best-known home energy solution may be the Tesla Powerwall, but Anker, a well-known battery manufacturer, will soon give it some real competition. Anker is well recognized for its cables, chargers, and battery packs for mobile devices. The announcement was made conveniently close to Nikola Tesla's former residence and workplace, which is appropriate given his contributions to the field of electricity.